What is the minimum age required to become the President of India? A. 25 years, B. 30 years, C. 35 years, D. 40 years. Correct answer is C. 35 years. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? A. Prime Minister of India, B. President of India, C. Parliament of India, D. Supreme Court judges. Correct answer is B. President of India. Which is the highest judicial authority in India? A. High Court, B. Supreme Court, C. District Court, D. Lok Adalat. Correct answer is B. Supreme Court. Which is the southernmost point of India? A. Kanyakumari, B. Rameshwaram, C. Indira Point, D. Nicobar Islands. Correct answer is C. Indira Point. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? A. Krishna River, B. Godavari River, C. Kaveri River, D. Narmada River. Correct answer is B. Godavari River. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? A. Dal Lake, B. Wular Lake, C. Chilika Lake, D. Loktak Lake. Correct answer is B. Wular Lake. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Correct answer is D. 8. Where is India's only active volcano located? A. Lakshadweep, B. Andaman or Nicobar Islands, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is B. Andaman or Nicobar Islands. What is the currency of India? A. Rupee, B. Dollar, C. Pound, D. Yen. Correct answer is A. Rupee. What is the full form of GDP? A. Gross Domestic Product, B. General Domestic Production, C. Gross Development Plan, D. Global Domestic Parameter. Correct answer is A. Gross Domestic Product. Which state in India has the largest coal reserves? A. Jharkhand, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Odisha, D. West Bengal. Correct answer is A. Jharkhand. What is the headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI? A. New Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Mumbai. Which organization calculates the inflation rate in India? A. RBI, B. Ministry of Finance, C. Central Statistics Office, CSO, D. Niti Aayog. Correct answer is C. Central Statistics Office, CSO. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution in India? A. M. S. Swaminathan, B. Norman Borlaug, C. Verghese Kurian, D. C. Subramaniam. Correct answer is A. M. S. Swaminathan. What is the chemical formula of water? A. B. H2O, C. O2, D. CH4. Correct answer is B. H2O. Who discovered electricity? A. Thomas Edison. B. Benjamin Franklin. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Albert Einstein. Correct answer is B. Benjamin Franklin. What is the SI unit of force? A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Pascal. D. Watt. Correct answer is B. Newton. What is the chemical name of vitamin C? A. Acetic acid. B. Ascorbic acid. C. Citric acid. D. Lactic acid. Correct answer is B. Ascorbic acid. How many players are there in a Kabaddi team? A. 5. B. 7. C. 9. D. 11. Correct answer is B. 7. What is the national sport of India? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Kabaddi. D. Football. Correct answer is B. Hockey.